Okay. Hi, P Monet. Happy to see you. Today we're going to making some bracelet with the beads first. Then the beads we will use it to match with the chain and make with some bracelet. Okay, here. The baby is good, dear. Thank you. Here, let me show you some baby picture. Baby is good. See here with some family and my daughter, my baby. Okay, here. This is my daughter when she was young. Yes, my daughter and the boy. The boy now. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so today let's go into making the piece of the bracelet by these cute beads. Okay, the first here you will find that I use 3 different shape of the amethyst stone, and the round one, the 3 different shape of the beads. Then let's go into making some bracelet. Hello, OWL. Happy to see you. Hi, Sweet Touch. Hello. You're on your button. Happy to see you. Okay, so I get some spacer. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! OL. Okay, so let's go. Here I'm plan to making a radium beads wrapper bracelet. So first I'm going to use the piece of the wire in 0.8 and we are wrap a loop. I'm wrap the loop. Here I am using some pumpkin, the spacer beads, and with this 6mm the amethyst stone. Hi, Savia, happy to see you. Square shape beads, square shape the pumpkin. This pumpkin is the spacer. Here, fold. Up. Okay. Then again we wrap. It's making the beads bracelet, and we will be use this beads bracelet match with the chain bracelet, then come out a nice set. With the amethyst stone here. It's going to be a simple and very easy made bracelet. So you will find that only use one simple technique is wrap the beads. This into 8 20 gauge. .8mm. Hi, Maggie's. Happy to see you. We are making a very easy bracelet. Hi, Sasa. Hi, OC Linked. Happy to see you. We are making a very simple bracelet. And we can use a piece of the cover. Next, again, the beads. Yeah, pretty. These are all the different shape of the amethyst stone. Then this one, the big piece of this. It's going to be a nice bracelet with a metal 4-leaf clover. Okay, thank you. We are here making the nice bracelet. If you are interested in handmade jewelry, here will be a nice place for you to learn the jewelry making. And we are a shop that sell the bulk materials. You can get these beads, the chain, the copper wire in my shop. All the items is the chain, the copper wire, the spacer beads, they are all non-tarnish. Even you go shower, go swimming, the color not going to be tarnish. Yes, I agree with you. The gold and the amethyst purple is very nice together. Fold. With a flower spacer. It's going to be a cute bracelet. Let's see how long is it. Okay, spacer. We'll put one more piece of this clover. Hi, Rose, I'm good. Thank you. We are making a bracelet. Okay, then let's see. Need one more beads. One more beads. We use this shape of the square. Here. Thank you. Welcome to my live streaming. It's a channel that's going to share with you how to making the jewelry by ourselves, where I use the copper wire to rub the beads together, make a bracelet. Okay. Okay, we finished the bracelet. Then let's go into lock it by the clasp. When finish a bracelet, we need the clasp and the jump ring and the extender chain to lock the end. Okay, so we need the extra chain. So a bracelet, you need a piece of jump ring to lock the clasp and a piece of the extender. A piece of extender. Then let's go in to attach them together. Jump ring tool, flat plier. We're going to lock here this to attach by a jump ring with the clasp, and this one will attach with the big jump ring attached with extender. Okay, then it's finished. It's finished the bracelet here. So this one is mixed with the different shape of the amethyst stone and with some metal. This one, the charm, you can use any charm that you like. So here the bracelet. Then we